Hannibal Industries always makes safety the highest priority. Nothing is more valuable than human life. Human life is priceless, and while TubeRack's safe design is critically important, there are additional benefits we thought you'd want to know. TubeRack's smarter steel design equals lower cost. Steel content costs for many TubeRack designs will be lower than conventional racking. Building slab requirements may be significantly reduced for TubeRack. Slabs may be reduced by up to 6 inches in some instances. A conservative cost savings for slab is approximately 12% for every 2 inches of reduced slab. Larger footplates associated with many conventional rack designs can create narrow aisle space for forklift operation, leading to tire damage and impact with racking. Tire damage on a typical outrigger truck can cost up to $600 per incident. Freight savings can be significant. Typical freight saving based on truck cubing can range from 25 to 35% less trucks per project. A 500,000-pound TubeRack project shipping from Los Angeles to Seattle may save $20,000 over conventional racking. Hannibal Industries TubeRack offers. Smarter steel design equals lower cost. Thinner slab requirements equals significant cost savings. Smaller footplates equals less damage to forklifts, saving the end user. Freight savings. Most importantly, Hannibal Industries TubeRack was built to save lives.